the transformative steps related to the development of physical and social infrastructure, along with basic amenities in every city and village, have given unprecedented momentum to development across the country, the major benefit of which has also reached Bihar. In many cities of Bihar, along with the development of essential facilities, emphasis is being laid on creating a better environment for ease of living and ease of doing business. To make Bihar a major partner in a developed India, the government is dedicating, inaugurating, and laying the foundation stone for 25 projects worth over 12,000 crore rupees. Health care for all. As the Bhumi Pujan for Bihar's second AIIMS at Darbhanga is being performed, the Darbhanga AIIMS will not only ensure healthcare facilities for a large population of Darbhanga but also for surrounding districts such as Madhubani, Sitamarhi, Muzaffarpur, Samastipur, Khagriya, Saharsa, Madhepura, Supaul, Araria, Kishanganj, Purnia, and Katihar. Moreover, people of entire Bihar, West Bengal, and eastern Uttar Pradesh will also benefit from it. Today, the four-lane corridor from Galgalia to Bahadurganj and from Bahadurganj to Araria Khand is being inaugurated. This will provide an alternative route from Bihar to Siliguri in West Bengal and the northeastern states, making the transport of goods and passenger movement faster and more convenient. And the construction of ROBs at Maria on NH19 and Vidyapur on NH322. Additionally, a 240-meter bridge from Bandhuganj to NH19 will provide relief from traffic jams caused by level crossings. The national highway projects whose foundation stones are being laid include Ramnagar to Rosera, Ahmedabad to Manihari, Hajipur to Mehnar, Sarban to Chakai. Two-lane paved bypass construction in Baka, Katoria, Lakpura, Panjwada and Raniganj. Four-lane widening from Paharpur to Bodh Gaya. For better railway services in Bihar, the inauguration is being done for newly gauge-converted Jhanjharpur Lokha Bazar rail section, newly doubled Haringar Bhairoganj and Kumar Bagh Narkatiyaganj Sathi rail lines, Bakhtiarpur flyover, Darbhanga rail line. The foundation stone is also being laid for the San Nagar bypass from Chiraila Pothu to Bagahe Bishanpur. Along with this, train services are being inaugurated on the newly gauge-converted Jhanjharpur Lokha Bazar rail section. And Jan Aushadhi Kendras are also being inaugurated at 18 railway stations across the country. All these infrastructure projects will make transportation smoother and faster, enabling farmers and local entrepreneurs to access new markets for their products. This will promote local art and craft and boost business and employment. Today, the petroleum and natural gas-related projects whose foundation stones are being laid include a 300 KTPA capacity bitumen plant at Barauni refinery to reduce bitumen imports, city gas distribution networks in Darbhanga, Madhubani, Supaul, Gaya, Sitamarhi and Sheohar to promote the use of natural gas. Through such dedicated and committed efforts of the government, Bihar will continue to actively contribute to nation building.